How to make my famous banana pudding. Use 3 packs of the instant vanilla pudding, the family size. Then add 7.5 cups of milk. Mix that up really well. One can of sweetened condensed milk. And mix that up really good. Grab a decent sized tray and line the bottom with Nilla wafers. Spread them out evenly, and I like to build up the sidewalls a little bit with them. Add your first layer of pudding. Spread that out evenly. And then add a layer of cut up bananas. I use anywhere from 4 to 6 bananas for this serving size. Add another layer of the pudding mixture. And then spread that all out, nice and even. And then I like to line up a few more cookies around the sides. And then add a nice layer of whipped topping to the top. And spread that out nice and even. And then I like to top off with some Nilla wafers on top. Kind of helps me enclose it without making a mess. And then stick in your fridge overnight, and then you can enjoy it the next day.